Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a question I see popping up all the time. Does Gemini support USDT? Now, for those of you new to crypto, USDT stands for Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. It's a popular choice for traders and investors because it offers stability in the volatile crypto market. So, let's cut to the chase and find out if Gemini, that popular cryptocurrency exchange, plays nice with USDT. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Gemini is all about. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is known for its robust security features and user-friendly interface. It's a platform that caters to both beginners and experienced traders, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. But does this reputable exchange support the stablecoin darling of the crypto world, USDT? USDT, a quick primer. Let's take a moment to understand why USDT is such a big deal. As I mentioned, it's a stablecoin, meaning its value is pegged to a stable asset, in this case, the US dollar. This stability is a huge advantage in the unpredictable crypto market. Imagine trying to trade Bitcoin when its price is fluctuating wildly. USDT provides a safe haven, allowing you to hold your value without the fear of sudden price drops. It's also widely used for making transactions, both within the crypto world and even in some real-world scenarios. Gemini and USDT, the verdict. Drumroll, please. The answer is a resounding yes. Gemini does indeed support USDT. You can easily buy, sell, and trade USDT on the Gemini platform. This is fantastic news for Gemini users, as it opens up a world of possibilities. You can now easily stabilize your portfolio, park your profits in USDT during market dips to protect your gains. Facilitate smooth trading. Use USDT as a stable base currency for trading other cryptocurrencies. Reduce transaction fees. USDT transactions often have lower fees compared to some other cryptocurrencies. Access DeFi opportunities. USDT is widely used in decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, giving you access to a wider range of investment options. Gemini's USDT offerings. Now, let's delve a little deeper into what Gemini offers in terms of USDT. Trading pairs. You'll find numerous trading pairs involving USDT on Gemini. This means you can easily trade USDT for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a plethora of other popular cryptocurrencies. Interest earning. Gemini allows you to earn interest on your USDT holdings through their Gemini Earn program. This is a great way to grow your USDT stash passively. Easy deposits and withdrawals. Depositing and withdrawing USDT on Gemini is generally a straightforward process. You can easily transfer USDT from your external wallets or other exchanges. Competitive fees. Gemini offers competitive trading and withdrawal fees for USDT transactions, making it a cost-effective option for traders. Gemini security measures for USDT. Security is paramount, especially when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Gemini takes the security of your USDT holdings very seriously. They employ robust security measures, including cold storage. A significant portion of Gemini's cryptocurrency holdings, including USDT, is stored in secure offline cold storage. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Gemini strongly encourages the use of 2FA for added security. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Advanced encryption. Gemini utilizes advanced encryption techniques to protect your sensitive information, including your USDT holdings. Regular security audits. Gemini undergoes regular security audits to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. Getting started with USDT on Gemini. If you're a Gemini user and are eager to start using USDT, here's a quick guide. 1. Create an account. If you don't already have a Gemini account, sign up and complete the verification process. 2. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your Gemini account using your preferred method, such as bank transfer or credit/debit card. 3. Buy USDT. Once your account is funded, you can easily buy USDT using your local currency. 4. Start trading. Use your USDT to trade other cryptocurrencies, earn interest, or participate in DeFi protocols. Tips for using USDT on Gemini. Here are a few tips to maximize your USDT experience on Gemini. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments related to USDT and the crypto market. Practice risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always diversify your portfolio. Utilize Gemini's resources. Take advantage of Gemini's educational resources, such as their blog and support articles, to learn more about USDT and trading. Review Gemini's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Gemini's terms of service and fee schedule to ensure you understand the platform's policies. USDT, beyond Gemini. While we've focused on Gemini, it's important to remember that USDT is supported by many other cryptocurrency exchanges and platforms. This widespread support enhances USDT's liquidity and makes it a convenient option for various crypto-related activities. Now, let's address some potential concerns regarding USDT. Volatility. Although pegged to the US dollar, USDT's value can sometimes deviate slightly from the peg. Regulatory scrutiny. USDT has faced regulatory scrutiny in some jurisdictions. Counterparty risk. There are concerns about the reserves backing USDT. Competition. USDT faces competition from other stablecoins, such as USDC and BUSD. In conclusion, Gemini offers robust support for USDT, making it a user-friendly platform for those looking to leverage the stability and utility of this popular stablecoin. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Gemini provides the tools and resources to effectively buy, sell, and trade USDT. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency, including USDT. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.